In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use mermaid diagrams in Microsoft Loop. By the end, you'll confidently open Loop, add a mermaid diagram to a page, and edit the code to produce clean, professional flowcharts. Start by opening your browser and searching for Microsoft Loop. In the results, choose the official Microsoft Loop page from Microsoft 365. On that page, click Get Started with Loop. Sign in with your Microsoft account or create one if you don't have it yet. Once you're in, you'll land in the Loop home experience. Next, create a new workspace or open one you already use. If you create a new workspace, go ahead and add a page inside it. Otherwise, open an existing page. This is where your mermaid diagram will live, alongside your notes and other components. On the page, click the plus icon to open the insert tools. A quicker option is to type a / and start typing mermaid. Select mermaid from the list. Loop will insert a mermaid component that shows an editable code area and a live diagram preview. If the preview doesn't appear immediately, give it a moment or click back into the code to trigger a refresh. Now let's make sense of the code you'll edit. It usually starts with flowchart TD. That tells Mermaid you want a flowchart laid out from top to bottom. If you prefer left to right, you could use LR, but we'll stick with TD here so it flows downward. Each box in the diagram is a node. You define a node with an internal ID, followed by the label in square brackets. For example, a start creates a box labeled start, and Open Microsoft Loop creates a box labeled Open Microsoft Loop. Keep IDs short like A, B, or short words, so connections are easy to read. To connect steps, use arrows like A, B. That means the flow goes from A to B. For decision points, use curly braces to create a diamond, like to choose action. You can label different branches on the arrows using vertical bars. For example, D, upload file, or E and D. Create flowchart, H, make it clear which choice leads where. You can continue a path by chaining nodes such as D, E, F, G for one branch, and D, H. I, J, K for another. To end your flow, connect to an end node like G, L end, and K L end, so both paths converge on the same finish. That's it. Insert the mermaid component, edit the code with these patterns, and watch your flowchart render instantly in Microsoft Loop.